Thank you. Thank you. Great. Thank you.
Are the experiences of Hey Baby now coming into picture for real?
No, I've had 3 babies at home already. My brother's babies, so there's enough experience at home. Thank you.
So 2014 was a brilliant year for you.
Yes.
It's an award function. What are your expectations like?
I don't know. I've been nominated, so that's big enough. So I'm here to cheer whoever wins in my category. And I guess Ek Villain also falls into the Hall of Fame kind of category where they celebrate successful commercial films. So we're glad to be part of that too.
It is shaping up wonderfully. Very inspired, very excited. Mohenjo-daro is it right now for me. Totally focused onto that. Build something great. All the best.
Mayor Charles is shaped up very well. I think it'll be a March 13th release, and I'm quite looking forward to sharing it. Actress finalized for it? What do you mean? There are many female parts in that movie which are very interesting. One of the major ones is played by Richa Chadda, and it's turned out to be very well.
Okay, let's go.
बहुत मायने रखता है एक्चुअली जब आप मेहनत करते हैं सो इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ एन अप्रिसिएशन जूरी की तरफ से आता है कई अवार्ड्स जो हैं वो डायरेक्टली ऑडियंस की तरफ से होते हैं सो इट्स इन अ वे द इंडस्ट्री इज़ अप्रिशिएटिंग योर हार्ड वर्क तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है और डेब्यू अवार्ड तो एक ही बार आता है तो वो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट दैट पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड रिकग्नाइजिंग मी अ लिटिल मोर यू नो एवरीवेयर आई एम नॉट एबल टू roam around as freely as I used to. But it's all changed in a very positive way. I think, that feeling of people actually knowing you after just one film, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And these people don't know me personally, still they have so much love to offer. So I think it just feels great.
नहीं अब तो याद भी नहीं है कि पहला अवार्ड कौन सा था और कब मिला इतने सारे हो गए हैं बट जब मिलता है तो ऑब्वियसली खुशी होती है कि आपने इतनी मेहनत की है फिल्म लगी है और फिल्म चली भी है और फिर उस काम को अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है सो ऑब्वियसली यू फील गुड
I don't know. I think I don't know about 3 things, but I definitely hope that I can spend a lot more time with my family this year.
Deepika, 2014 was a relatively quiet year as compared to the year before that. How are you planning to go?
2013 was a miracle, and I don't think either you or me should expect that kind of year to happen ever again.
But a big movie in the form of Tamasha and a lot of other movies lined up.
Yes, we have Piku that releases in April. Which is directed by Shujit Sarkar, and then we have Tamasha, which is directed by Imtiaz Ali, and then we have Bajirao Mastani, which is being directed by Sanjay Leela.
But isn't Tamasha and Bajirao Mastani clashing?
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm sure our producers know what they're doing. I think my job as an actor is to be, is to be professional, be on my set, do my job, and do it well. And I think everything else is for the producers to decide.
जी हाय देखिए जब मैंने फर्स्ट अपना अवार्ड जीता था तब मुझे बड़ा कमाल की फीलिंग हुई थी सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट दिस रिकग्निशन बट आई मीन अगर नहीं भी हो तो भी चलता है बट आई थिंक काम अच्छे करते रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है अच्छी फिल्म्स करते रहना इंपॉर्टेंट है टिके रहना इंडस्ट्री में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सो आई थिंक अगर अवार्ड्स मिल जाए तो सोने पे सुहागा
हेलो अभी फ़िलहाल मैं ABCD 2 कर रही हूँ और जो मेरी अगली फिल्म है ABCD 2 के बाद वो जब ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट होना है वो होगा वो तो नहीं बता सकते अभी. I would love to work with him, but no, I've not been offered anything with him.
Hi, how are you? I don't know. First, people were saying they were comparing it to Shahid. Now, I don't know what people are saying. I mean, most people I've met have not told me anything like that, because it's a role based on a common man who's has a family in Pune. There's no heroism in this role, if I might say so. The film is definitely different because I've seen Villain. I wouldn't sign it if it was similar, obviously. And what I can promise is it's a very serious film and should be taken seriously. It's based on true events. It's a film about this family man who loses his family and to what path he chooses to get his revenge. And yeah, it's coming on Feb 20th, so I don't want to say much.
वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है तो आप क्या रिटेन कर पाएंगे इंडिया में, क्या लगता है?
I hope so. मैं obviously वर्ल्ड कप देखूंगा और आई एम होपिंग इंडिया रिटेन कर सकती है.
फेवरेट खिलाड़ी आपका?
अभी के टाइम में विराट कोहली.
सर, एक अवार्ड पाना एक एक्टर के लिए कितना मायने रखता है और आपके लिए ये बात कितनी मायने रखती है?
बहुत इनकरेजिंग है जब आपको अवार्ड मिलते हैं, क्योंकि आप पूरा साल काम करते हो, बहुत काम करते हो, प्रमोट करते हो पिक्चर को, ऑडियंस को खुश करने के लिए. तो जब अवार्ड मिलता है तो ऐसे लगता है कि जो आपकी मेहनत थी वो सफल हो गई. आई हैव साइन उड़ता पंजाब, दैट इज ट्रू.
Priyanka, finally you're going to Hollywood. Tell us more about this. The project started, when it will go on floors, and how will you do
I'm
it?
not going to Hollywood.
No, no, the ABC.
Yes, I'm going to LA, like I have been going for the last 3 years. I'm not going to Hollywood. I'm not going anywhere. I am evolving as a person, and I don't think it has anything to do with Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, or any of the woods. I'm just I've done an amazing deal as a creative person with ABC, and I hope अभी जब मैं LA जाऊंगी कि I get to hear really interesting scripts, and hopefully if I like something I'll do a show.
A new script or?
They're developing both. नए स्क्रिप्ट्स भी लिखे जा रहे हैं मेरे इर्द गिर्द, और अगर कोई वहाँ पे अच्छा नहीं लगा then maybe in a existing show, but that's not decided yet. The thing about awards is, whenever you come first in class या आप A देखते हो अपने report card पे या star होता है, it gives you an encouragement to do better work, but it doesn't mean you stop doing work if you don't get an award. Nobody does films for awards, but जब मिलता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, नहीं मिलता तो बुरा भी लगता है. If I don't get it, I will be disappointed. Everybody is disappointed when you don't win. It's just the truth.
Thank you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Come in.
Okay, let's go.
I can't do the thing.
Sir,
Yes.
Vicky has broken all box
Yes.
office records. Would you now want Amir Khan to, get out of the clause of not accepting awards because
See, the records that we break have nothing to do with our joy. Our joy is that people have seen the film and it has touched their lives, and that is most important. And whether or not to come for the awards is really, I'm here because my team is here. I have, personally, I feel very different about everything else, but when my team is here, I'm here to share the joy with them.
So there were reports that PK wouldn't be shown on television. Has the issue been sorted out?
Well, we will see. It's not an issue to be sorted out. See, we don't want to exploit anybody, and we don't want to be exploited by anyone. If anybody thinks that they can exploit us, our answer is no, we won't get exploited, and we will not exploit anyone in return. So that's our stand.
So you seem to be the man with the Midas touch, 100, 200, 300 now. Where else will the benchmark be now?
I would rather say that you say that I have made good movies, from 1942, A Love Story, to Parinda, to 42, to Parinita, to Munna Bhai, rather than this money business. It doesn't, frankly, This 200, 300, I personally, let me tell you in simple English, I don't give a damn.
क्योंकि वो मेरा ब्रेड एंड बटर है, मैं पहले एंकर करता था, मैं परफॉर्म करता हूँ, तो फिर अवार्ड फंक्शन होने चाहिए। और अवार्ड्स ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को 2 साल पहले यही अवार्ड मिला था बेस्ट डेब्यू यहाँ पर स्टार गिल्ड अवार्ड्स में। आज मैं देने वाला हूँ बेस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग डेब्यू का अवार्ड। यार हवाई जहाज़ रिलीज़ हो रही है 30 जैन को, देखने ज़रूर जाना। ऐसे इंसान की कहानी जिसने दुनिया का पहला हवाई जहाज़ बनाया था, एंड शिवकर तलपति उस इंसान का नाम है, और पल्लवी शारदा उसमें एक्ट कर रही है मेरे साथ, एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म।
सर आपके लिए क्रिएटिविटी के मायने क्या है?
क्रिएटिविटी के मायने हैं खुशी। इफ़ यू आर हैप्पी यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव। आप क्रिएटिव हो जाते हैं अपने आप, और आई थिंक वो क्रिएटिविटी का कीड़ा हर एक के अंदर होता है, उसको बस निकालना पड़ता है।
Roy is going to bring you a lot.
You are back. Okay.
Roy is going to bring you a lot of joy this season. Tell us more about it.
I'm very excited for Roy. It is a very, very different film for me, and it's very different to whatever I've done. And that's exciting because also it's coming right after a movie like Kick, you know, which also saw me in a very different role, in a very different way. And I just think like right now also with Roy, I'm pushing the envelope with this one, and you know, I mean, everything is in sync sound. It's playing a double role. Like it's just getting bigger and bigger. So
In Jumme Ki Raat we saw you doing the split. What can we expect from Roy from you this time around?
Roy, you're going to see a lot more dancing
Oh, that's it. Where
in the
will
movie.
Okay. Where will your loyalties lie this season? With Sri Lanka or India? The World Cup.
I think I'm going to take a vacation to like South Africa or something and wait there. But yeah.
अच्छा अभी प्लीज़ हाँ रिलैक्स हो मत करो, डराओ मत।
कितना मायने रखता है कि एक अवार्ड फंक्शन एक्चुअली एक अवार्ड पाना?
सॉरी,
कितना मायने रखता है एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में आना और अवार्ड पाना?
आई थिंक एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में आना मायने रखता है, बट आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा अवार्ड वही होता है जब ऑडियंस हमें प्यार करती है, वो हमारे काम को सराहती है। दैट्स लाइक अ बिगेस्ट अवार्ड।